Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Let's talk about today the video marketing. How can promote your product through video marketing? So I'll give you all the tips and tricks. How can you promote your video through Facebook, YouTube, and everywhere? And if you choose or if you want to do affiliate marketing, so you can promote your product easily do video marketing. And nowadays you already know the video marketing are widely used very famously. Because of video marketing got more sales. Okay, so let me show you today how can you do video marketing and increase your sales day by day. So let's get started. Suppose you have an Amazon affiliate product, or if you have a ECP offer and everything, so you want to promote your product like video marketing. Suppose you have an Amazon account, you have a Javijo account, and you have another account like that, like related that. Okay, so here if you want to promote your like any product like electronic, what your niche, I don't know actually. You can select any niche what you want to promote. Just first of all do keyword research. Okay, do keyword research which product are not available or are not very widely promoted. You have to choose, because a specific niche will get more sales. So if you want to do keyword research, then go to the keyword tool, like some of the keyword research tool available here. Keyword planner, keyword tool, lots of. Okay, here you can do your keyword research any product, like search and see your globally searching result. After that suppose you choose one product like me. Okay, let me just show you. I choose one product like this. Okay, laptop. I choose this product. This is called laptop. So you already seen in the dashboard is SR Nitro 5. Okay, it's suppose you choose this laptop. Okay, you want to do video marketing. Okay, you want to do video marketing, then go to the YouTube and you can create one channel, branding channel, not a personal channel. Create brand channel. Okay, like me, I actually created top mobile review. This is for the video marketing review, like mobile review. Okay, so just customize or setting your every setting here. Okay, here every setting here you can add title, description, you can choose residence, keywords, everything. Just customize your channel. After that you want to publish your video here or upload your video here. Then you have to go to the which product you choose. Suppose you choose this product, then copy this title, then read this title and everything. Okay, so just on this video like me, just open this video like me and just do your review like SR Nitro 5. You have to tell and branded which product or opportunities you will get from this product, everything. Just share your experience, at the video. You don't have to bother like that. Okay, just simply share your experience, what you know about this product. Just share your experience to the audience and share your video like Facebook, Twitter and everywhere. So just share your experience, and suppose you do this video and read the all description and share your video and go to the YouTube channel and upload here. Okay, upload here and customize one picture like that and upload here at the daily must be uploaded daily one video. Okay, for your reaching targeted. YouTube algorithm will work if you upload daily at least one video. So you must be upload this type of specific niche, not every niche. Suppose you choose laptop, just upload the laptop series or laptop related video, not other. So I think your channel will be grow and you will get sales. Okay, so like that. Just read here from the all the description and customize one picture and upload here and do some keyword research from that rapid tools. Its name is rapid tools keyword generator. Rapid tools, its name is maybe rapid tools. You have to do keyword generator, YouTube keyword generator, YouTube keyword generator. Rapid text, maybe its name is rapid text. Yeah, rapid text. Here, go to here. It's a very famous text generator. You don't have to bother, you don't have to waste time. Just search here like Acer Nitro laptop and they will suggest you all the keyword. You don't have to do anything. Yeah, just see here, just copy from here and go to your video uploaded and paste it tag. So daily minimum one video upload you have to do, upload like a specific niche which you selected. I think sales will come automatically. YouTube algorithm will work fluently and perfectly. You don't have to do anything, just upload your video daily one and which your product, that is choose a specific niche which you want to promote. Just promote your product daily, I think, and at the description link or video link you can give your Amazon affiliate link or whatever niche you selected, just below or give your affiliate link here and a customer will automatically buy from your link. So I think this video is very helpful for you. You will work and I think you will see my video or you will start work from today for the video marketing. If you want to do video marketing, then this video is best for you, and share my video every friends, then so that they can do video marketing and got sales. Video marketing will get more sales. You have to understand video marketing will get more sales. Okay, so I think everyone just understand, and from today you can start your video marketing, and just subscribe my channel and always with me. I'll upload all types of helpful video and paid video for you. So thank you very much for watching my video.